Welcome to this in-depth overview of Shirtee, a powerful platform for dropshipping custom apparel and accessories. Shirtee offers an intuitive interface where users can design, market, and sell personalized merchandise without needing to handle inventory. With Shirtee's advanced tools, you can upload your designs, customize products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and much more, and list them for sale in your online store. One of the standout features of Shirtee is its on-demand production model. Items are only manufactured after a sale, eliminating risks of overstock or storage costs. The platform integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, making it easier to synchronize your store and manage orders in real time. Customers will appreciate Shirtee's extensive range of products, high-quality prints, and efficient global shipping options. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Shirtee also provides tools for tracking sales performance and optimizing profits. By analyzing metrics and adapting your strategies, you can grow your brand effectively. Additionally, the platform offers transparent pricing, giving you control over your profit margins. Whether you are an entrepreneur or a small business owner, Shirtee simplifies the complexities of creating and selling custom products. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Don't miss out on the latest tips and insights into the world of e-commerce.